I'm sending you the questions of a thing of beauty. You will note down in your notebook. The first question: why and how is grandeur associated with the mighty dead? I hope the answer is clear to you. Second question: how is the thing of beauty lovelier than all the lovely tales we have heard and read? Children, in grandeur, you are going to write down about the forefathers that the doomsday is considered the day of judgment, when the dead will receive what is due to them. So, and in the second, how is the thing of beauty lovelier? So, you'll write down all beautiful things of nature are a boon for humanity. The magnificence of beauty of objects of nature surpasses the grandeur of dooms. And the next question: what is the source of the endless fountain and what is its effect? Children, why is the fountain mentioned? So, a fountain of eternal joy and immortality pours into the heart and soul of man. It flows right from the heaven's brink and pours into the human heart. You will write down the answer from it. Next question: what is the message? This question is very important. What is the message for the theme of the poem? A thing of beauty. It is very important. The question is very important. What is the message for the theme of the poem, A Thing of Beauty? Children, you will write down the very first line contains the message that John Keats, the great romantic poet, wants to convey. Keats was a worshipper of beauty. For him, beauty was truth and truth beauty. Hence, for him, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Beauty never fades, nor is it very ever devaluate. It never passes into nothingness. When we are full of sorrows and sufferings, some form of beauty comes to our rescue. It removes the pall of sadness and sorrows and gives us joy and pleasure. So thus beauty is a boon for human beings. Next question: according to Keats, what moved away the pain and suffering from human life? Children, how can we remove suffering from our lives? So he says that the cover of sad feelings from our hearts, we can see the nature. We can go and feel the nature. In case if we feel the nature, then the sad things will vanish, because they are the boon for humanity. According to the poet, how human beings love life in spite of all suffering. Why? Actually, beautiful things on earth lifts the pelf of our spirits and make our life worth living. So according to him, each beautiful thing is a link that binds us to the earth. And the last question is very important. What is the magnificence of mighty dead in the poem? So mighty dead are people who lived in the past. Monuments are erected in their memory. They were physically might like the mighty warriors and mentally might like great poets, writers or philosophers. So they are the source of inspiration for the human beings through their beauty of works. Children, questions for practice is your assignment. I'll be sending you. So note down all these answers in your notebook.